Hello, I'm Marie-Lise. I will show you how to upcycle egg cartons into Christmas ornament. To make the Santa hat, you have to cut out the pyramidal shape out of the egg carton. Trim the cardboard to have a nice edge. Cut a piece of string, fold it in the middle and make a knot. Put some glue on the tip of the cardboard and glue the string in it. Apply white glue all around the cardboard shape. You can use a brush to help you spread the glue everywhere. Take some red yarn, glue the end of the yarn on top of the hat, and then wrap the yarn all around the cardboard. Leave a space without red yarn at the bottom of the hat. Cut the red yarn. Apply a little more glue if needed. Use white yarn to finish the hat. Just wrap it around the cardboard to cover the bottom of the hat. I used velvet yarn, but this craft will work as fine with any kind of yarn you already have. To nicely finish the Santa hat, grab a small pom-pom and glue it on the top. To make Santa beard, you will use a cotton pad. Cut the top part of the pad. Take the small piece of the pad, fold it in the center and trim it a little to create a cute mustache shape. Apply glue on the inside of the hat and glue the large pad piece inside. Grab a wooden bead to make Santa nose. Glue it on the pad just under the hat. Then glue the mustache just under the nose. And that's it. In just a few minutes you made a cute Santa ornament. I hope you enjoyed this easy Christmas craft. Please like and follow for more easy craft ideas.